we are continuing with exercise 24A. Now I am going to take question number 11. In this question you are given a room whose dimensions are given. In that room there is one door. Dimension of door are also given. And there are two windows whose dimensions are given. Now you have to find the area of the walls, four walls, excluding the window and door. So you have to find area of four walls. Also you have to find the painting of the four walls, excluding obviously the door and windows, and also cost of painting the ceiling. So one by one we will take the question. So dimensions of the rooms are given. You have to find the area of four walls. So first of all you will apply the formula of area of four walls. So first I am writing area of four walls formula. As you know, area of four walls formula is same as lateral surface area, and this is 2 into h multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay. Now put all the values here. Height is 3.6, length 9 plus breadth 6. So you can simplify it easily. 9 plus 6, 15. Okay. And when you multiply 15 to the 30, 108. Okay. So area of four walls is 108 meters square. Unit is mandatory because all the dimensions are in meters. So area will be in meters square. This is area of four walls. But you have to find the area of four walls excluding the doors and windows. So from this area you have to subtract area of doors and area of windows. So find the area of door. Before we start, check the dimensions. Both the dimensions are in same unit. So no problem. So area of door. Area of one door. Length into breadth. Because what is the shape of a door? It is a rectangular. And area of a rectangle is length and breadth. Here dimensions are given 1.4 meter by 2 meter. Means length is 1.4 and breadth is 2 meter. Or any dimension, length and breadth, you can take it. So basically you have to take the product of these two dimensions. So put the values 1.4 into 2. So this is 2.8 meter. This is the area of one door. Now we have to find the area of two windows. There are two windows and length and breadth given. But here if you notice the dimension, one dimension is given in centimeter. As I explained many times, the dimensions should be in the same unit. So here we need to change the unit of this dimension. 75 centimeter means 0.75 meter. Why we are converting in meter? Because all the other dimensions are in meters. So you will convert this centimeter into meter only. So here we can find the area of four walls. So here only I am finding, area of two windows. So area of two windows, you can directly write 2 times L into B because there are two windows. Now put the values. 2 into 1.6 into 0.75. Okay. Now here you multiply this. .4 and this is meter square. When you multiply this, you will get 2.4 meter square. This is the area of two windows. Now you have to find the area of four walls excluding door and windows. So from this area you subtract both these areas, area of one door and area of two windows. Therefore, area of 4 walls excluding door and windows. So, after that you will subtract it. From the area of 4 walls 108, you subtract the area of door 2.8 as well as area of 2 windows 2.4. So this way 108 minus 5.2. So this way you will get the answer as 102.8 meter square. Meter square, all the units are in meter. So it will be 102.8 meter square. So this is the first part of the question that we have done. In second part, you have to find the total cost of painting the walls, 4 walls. So what area we will paint? Excluding the door and windows. So this area we will paint. So we have to find the total cost of painting this area. So in second part we will do that. Now cost of painting is given to you. It is 22.5 meter, 22 rupees 22.5 per meter square. This is given to you. So rate of painting is given. Rate of painting the wall. This is given to you rupees 22.50 per meter square. Means if you paint 1 meter square area, you have to pay rupees 22.5. So if you have to pay 102.8 meter square area, how much you will pay? Simple multiplication there. Rate of painting the walls at the rate of 1 meter square, rupees 22.50 per meter square. Therefore, total cost of painting four walls. Total area of 4 walls excluding the window and door is 102.8 and the rate of 1 meter square is 22.50. So if you multiply this, you will get the answer rupees 2313. This much is the total cost of painting the 4 walls. In third part, you have to find the total cost of painting the ceiling. So rate of painting the ceiling is given. Only the thing is you have to find the area of ceiling. So if you remember what dimensions are involved in ceiling, length, breadth, height, there are 3 dimensions. So which 2 dimensions are involved in ceiling? So first, this is the third part of the question. Rate of painting of ceiling is given as, this is rupees 25 per meter square. This is the rate of painting the ceiling is given to you. So you have to find, first you will find the area of the ceiling. Since area of the ceiling, then only you can multiply the rate and area and you will get the total cost. So area of the ceiling, which 2 dimensions are involved in that? A floor and ceiling, they involve length and breadth. That day I had explained you. So in ceiling there are 2 dimensions involved and these dimensions are length and breadth, right? So area of ceiling will be dimensions dimensions of the room. From there we will get this. So length of the room is 9 and breadth is given 6. Okay. So 9 into 6, 54. 54 meters square is the area of ceiling. Now you have, and this is the rate. So therefore, total cost of painting the ceiling. Total cost of painting the ceiling. This is equal to 1 meter square cost is rupees 25. So 54 meter square cost is what? Then you will multiply this and 25. You can understand this like cost of the price of one chocolate is suppose 10 rupees and you have to buy 5 chocolates. How much you will pay? So 5 multiplied by the cost of one chocolate. 5 into 10, 50 rupees. Same method you will apply here. 1 meter square painting cost is rupees 25. But you have to paint 54 meter square area. So what to do? 25 and 54 you will multiply. So multiply 54 into 25. One three five zero. This is the total cost of painting the ceiling. So this way we have done this question. One more question is there in your textbook, similar to this one. Do that question. Now we are doing question number 13. In this question you are given the ratio of length, breadth and height as 7:6:5. Also you are given the surface area of the cuboid 1926 centimeter square. You have to find the volume and the dimensions. So dimensions means length, breadth and height you have to find, and after that you have to find the volume. So as we always do, whenever you are given the ratio of the dimensions, we first convert it into variable form. So let's convert these ratio in variable form. So length will be 7x, breadth will be 6x and height will be 5x. Yeah. Now surface area is also given. So in previous video I explained you there are two quantities, dependent and independent. So here surface area is a dependent quantity. It is dependent on length, breadth and height. You can find surface area only if you know length, breadth and height of the cuboid. That's why it is a dependent quantity. So whatever dependent quantity is given, first we will write the formula of that quantity. So surface area is given, so we will write the formula for the surface area of the cuboid. One thing more, here surface area is given. In previous video I explained this also. If you are given surface area, then you will take the formula for the total surface area only. Okay, so either surface area or total surface area, both are the same. So we will write here the formula for the total surface area. So total surface area formula is, as you know, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the total surface area formula. Now put all the values of length, breadth and height in variable form. So let's substitute the values here. 2 into length is given 7x multiplied by 6x plus breadth 6x multiplied by height, that is 5x, plus length, which is 7x multiplied by height, that is 5x. So we have put all the values here. Now first we have to simplify the bracket, but before that substitute the value of the surface area also. Surface area is given 1926. Simple method, write the formula and just below the formula put all the values that you know. So surface area value we know, length, breadth, height values we have taken in variable form. So put all the values. Now one by one you will simplify it. See here, I want to mention here one thing. When you multiply these 7x and 6x, you multiply the constants together as well as the variables also. So 7 6 are 42 and x into x. Here you have to note that x and x also you have to multiply, that becomes x square. Mostly students, they forget to multiply x and x and they write here only x, and at last they will get the wrong answer. So just be careful when you are multiplying two variable terms, just take the product of the variables also. So 7 6 are 42 and x into x will be x square. So 6 5s are 30 and x into x, x square. 7 5s are 35 and x into x, that is x square. Okay. Now this is 1926. Now simplify the bracket. So how you will simplify the bracket? X square is everywhere in all the three terms. Only you have to add the constant and then x square will come as it is. So if you add all these, you will get 107 x square. If you take x square is anything like a pen, suppose x square is a pen, so 42 pen, 30 pen and 35 pen, all together 107 pen. So pen means x square. So just treat the variable as anything you can. So here 2 into 107 into x square. Now this is equal to 1926. We have to find the value of the variable x. That means other terms, other factors should be transposed on left hand side. So they will go like this, 1926, and from here 2 and 107 they will come in the denominator because they are being multiplied here. So on other side the operation is opposite. So x square will remain on right hand side. Okay. Now you cancel this. 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 107 9s are, directly you will get 963, otherwise you can divide. There is guess work you can use here because it is 7 and here it is 3. So you should think 7 in 7 table where you will get 3. 7 9s are 63 ending with 3. So you should check, you can check 107 into 9. 9 7s are 63 and 9 1s are 9. So exactly you can cancel it. So these tips time to time I will give you so that your calculation will be easier. So directly you can cancel it. So here we have got x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to, whenever you have the square value and you have to find the single power value. So what do? We take the square root. So square root of 9 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So this way we have found the value of x as 3. Now if we put the value of x here, we will get the value of length, breadth and height in centimeter, numerical value. So therefore length is equal to 7 into x, and 7 into x means 7 into 3, that is equal to 21, and the unit is centimeter. This unit, surface area unit, is given in centimeter square. That means all these dimensions are in centimeter. That's why it is centimeter square. So you will take 21 centimeter. Now breadth is equal to 6x. So 6x means 6 into 3, which is 18 centimeter. And height is 5x. So 5x means 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter. So we have found all the three dimensions of the cuboid, length, breadth and height. Now we have to find the volume. So just apply the formula for volume. You all know the formula, very easy formula, length into breadth into height. So we can apply the formula. and get the answer. Now volume of cuboid, this is equal to length into breadth into height. Put all these values, 21 into 18 into 15, and the unit is compulsory because there are 3 dimensions you are multiplying here, so unit will be centimeter cube. Okay, now you can multiply this. I have already multiplied. So this is 5670 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cuboid. Now I am going to do question number 14. In this question, there are areas given, and these areas are of 3 adjacent faces. 3 adjacent faces areas are 122 centimeter square, 72 centimeter square and 60 centimeter square. You have to find the volume. Now in this question you are not given length and breadth. Now we will take this face. So here what the dimensions are involved? Breadth and height. Okay. So breadth into height, this is equal to 72 centimeter square. This is the area of second type of these dimensions, second type of the face. Now the third face of the cuboid. Now this is the third face, this is the length, this is the breadth. So if we see this face, this is the length and this is the breadth of the cuboid. Okay, this is the breadth. So which 2 dimensions are involved in this? Length and breadth. If we find the area of this face, area is, this is rectangular, so area of rectangle is length into breadth. So this is the length and this is the breadth. So this here, length into breadth. Third, so length into breadth is 60 centimeter square. You can take any because ultimately they all will be multiplied. So length into breadth is 60 centimeter square. So these are the 3 combinations of the faces. Now we have all the 3 combinations. We have to find the volume, and as you know, volume is equal to length into breadth into height, means product of length, breadth and height. Now here we have no such combination where you get length, breadth and height together. Here it is length and breadth, and down breadth and height, and here length and breadth. So all the 3 we cannot get. So what we do, if we multiply all these 3, suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So if we multiply all these 3 equations, what happens? So here you have to mention 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Whatever you are doing, it should be clear from your steps. So we are multiplying these 3 equations. So when we multiply equations together, left hand side should be multiplied by left hand side and right hand side should be multiplied by right hand side. Similar terms should be multiplied together. So this side if we multiply, what do we get? Length into height from here multiplied by breadth into height from here multiplied by length into breadth. So left hand side all the terms we have multiplied together. Alright. Now we will multiply the right hand side. So right hand side are 120 into 72, second equation, and third equation is 60. Okay. Now again you multiply, means you simplify this. So if we simplify, you can see length is here and length is here. If 2 lengths are being multiplied, they will become length square. So here we will get length square. We have multiplied length and length. Now h is here, h is here, h square, and b is here, b is here. So length square into b square into h square. Left hand side we have multiplied. Now multiply the right hand side. It's very simple. 12 6 are 72 multiplied by 72. Here I want to tell you, don't multiply this 72 and 72 because further you are going to take the square root. So this is the tip here. Okay, if you take it like 72 into 72 and this 100, if you separate, it is very easy to simplify it further. When I explain the next step, you will understand why I have done so. Otherwise, you can multiply also. Doesn't matter. If you multiply and then take the square root, doesn't matter. But I am just telling you how you can make your calculation easier. Now, this is length into breadth into height, but with squares. Okay. So, what do we do? Suppose we have x square is equal to 9. Okay. But we have to find x only. When it will become the volume, when these two are not there, only L into B into H are there. So x will be square root 9. Square root 9 means factorize 9 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3. So from the pair we take only one number, which is the square root. So x is equal to 3. This is the method to find the square root. Same we are going to follow here also. Now L into B into H we have to find single power, single exponent. So how can it be single? If we take the square root L square, B square and H square. If we take the square root on both the side. Why we are doing so? Because we have to find L into B into H only, not the squares. So that's why we are taking the square root of this. So if we take the square root of this, it will be L into B into H. Single exponent. Okay. Now here you can see 72 into 72, a pair. So from the pair, if you take single, it will come out of the square root notation. And square root of 100 is 10. 10 tens are 100. So this way L into B into H is volume. This is the volume. Therefore, volume is equal to 72 into 10. 72, and what is the unit? Centimeter. So it will be centimeter cube. So 720 is the volume of the cuboid, given cuboid. This is the answer.